Hey folks, as you can see I'm keeping warm again. I'm in Kingston, Ontario now. We drove all the way down from North Bay, which is like real snowy part of Ontario. I mean, it's snowy here as well, but anyway, I really enjoyed I played some melodeon on an amazing tune, Press for Time, Gordon Duncan, as a little tribute to Gordon, and somebody said, you know, would you play another tune, maybe one of your own? So here you go. It's a tune called Kintail. I wrote this in about, about 2004, if my memory serves me right, and I was driving up to do a tour with Session A9, which was a band started by Charlie McCarran of Capicali, incredible fiddle player, great friend of mine, and one of my favourite fiddle players. And Charlie asked me to join Session A9, which I did in about the year 2002, if my memory serves me right. And one of the first or second tours we did, I remember one of the gigs was out in the west coast of Scotland near Kintail in the Highlands, and I was driving a VW Polo at the time, which had a leaking head gasket, and I drove from Ramsgate Marina in Kent all the way up to Kintail, and I had to stop every hour and a half to top up the water in the gasket. So it was a great time to write a tune. So this tune kind of sums up that insane journey. And I eventually got there after about 10 hours, and we had a great tour. And in those days, Session A9 was Charlie, Gordon Gunn, Adam Sutherland, Duncan Chisholm, Chris Drever was playing guitar then, amazing guys, and Brian McAlpine, of course. And goodness, we had some great times, and yeah, love those guys. So, Kintail. As usual, it's all whoops and all from me on the melodeon. And the last part there is a bit that myself and Brendan Power came up with while we were doing the BBC Folk Awards. We played a few tours around that time, and we used to play Celtic Thunder, a tune that I wrote, into Kintail, another one of my tunes, and Brendan and myself came up with that sort of ending, you know. So anyway, there you go folks. Somebody also suggested that I maybe sort of do a little tutorial, so I'll do that really quickly. I'll just play the A and the B part. It's just a two-part tune, and when I was really in practice, which I hopefully will be now in the next few weeks, I used to do a syncopated bass part, and any box players watching this, like, it works great on a B, C in D minor, but this is a D, G, or a C sharp D, G, so you can do And the B part. And you repeat that, and it's got a kind of syncopation, so you imagine like a and I usually finish on a little, kind of, it's like a B major 7th, is it, or something like that. So the chords for guitar players, it's an E minor, could have E minor, E minor, D to B minor, E minor, D to B minor, D, E, C, D, E, A minor, D. So. So thanks very much for watching this, folks, and really enjoying playing the melodeon again. It's great fun, and I've played so much guitar the last 10 years. You know, I played the melodeon since I was 14, and played the box since I was about 5. I started on piano accordion and changed when I broke my wrist to melodeon. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting in a shower or in a bathroom. Well, it's the acoustics in these hotels while you're on tour. You know, it's really kind of hard to get it in the room, the sort of bit of reverb, you know, natural reverb. So in here, you get a little bit in here. So that's why I am sitting here, and it's freezing outside. Warm, nice and warm in the hotel, but I just come in, so keep warm. Bit of playing. Hope you enjoy it. Kintail, thanks for watching.